Junie. Play with your ear. Hello.
So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat, who the f is that?
Fellas, any of you seen Tiger Woods? Ooh, man, really hope no one touches my tail. I hate that. Oh, goddamn it!
Hey, don't touch me! What do you want from me? Reflex check? I'm great at it. No need to test.
Puppies don't understand danger yet. She just sees a flying snack and chooses chaos immediately.
They're one of the few birds that can hover in place and even fly backwards. Some treat the tub like a courtroom, but it's actually a water park.
Are you serious right now?
what are you doing?
I was just trying to take a nap.
Open the door.
Did you know?
Not gonna lie, this looks more entertaining than the actual Super Bowl.
These furballs only have a talent for balance, but risk management, not a chance.
Oh my god, we went to Cinemanta here. Yay!
when a chicken automatically assumes human food is public property.
When people call you extra, just look them in their face and say, am I extra or are you basic?
Yes.
Oh.
Her name is Cricket. And she...
He's having some intense dreams.
Good boy. I want to see.
Don't bite me.
Buddy, come on. Come on. Come on.
This dog would be perfect for the role of someone who's just been heartbroken.
You look nice. Oh. 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 Flash! Oh my god! What are you doing? You got it. What the heck was that? No, Dougal, don't do it. No. Hey. You. Stop it.
That's one way to make sure nobody steals your toy.
We're gonna have to find something for you fellas and our boys.
So, being super flexible brings its own challenge. Like, which move should I make?
Okay, I'm waiting for something to happen here, and I know it's gonna happen. Here we go!
I think instead of a puppy, I want a pet goat. It likes me like a second ago.
Watching him run toward the bottle was honestly too adorable.
That one? Okay.
Katie, high five. No.
Oh no.
Absolute rebellion. Oh my god, don't slip over, please. Oh.
What do you need? You need did your mask fall off? Bobby. Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
Okay, I'm going to give my dog an egg. Theoretically, she will understand that she is supposed to take care of it.
me. You just gotta pull the rope here.
John, I'm trying.
No, you gotta pull it like this.
I'm trying to pull it this.
God damn it!
Andrea. Ciao, Andrea.
Chip cookies to the dessert menu.
You cannot have it. Please give it back.
Red fox pups spend most of their early life playing, wrestling, and learning survival skills from each other.
I like your stick.
O que você tá fazendo?
Australian Shepherd puppies come preloaded with unlimited energy.
Who ran into my table and broke one?
When a winter lover finally convinces their friend to go for a walk.
What the hell are you doing, Winston?
If I came to visit you, would you pet me?
It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
Солнце. Вы что делаете, собаки? Оскар, это что такое? Он как вообще сюда забрался?
Can I have that? What is it? Can I please? What is that? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
Hey, No! No!
No, no. Don't huff and puff at me.
Sit. Will you be my Valentine? What?
Wait. Hey. Wait.
Bro, I went to McDonald's and got a 4-piece nugget meal thing. And I was looking at it. I got a double nugget, so I got 5 nuggets, bro.
Serves you right, jackass.
Who do you think you're scaring? Only your carrier and medical tools work, okay?
Sit. Ziva, you don't get a treat till she sits. Sit.
Poop smelling dog. Alright? Now, I don't know if you've ever lived with a dog. It's the worst experience I've ever had in all 9 of my lives. We gotta make.
The best was when you were sitting with
Hands up.
You know what? This is the best day of your life, and I'm just gonna let you continue to have it.
I told you, dude, if you have an onion, they'll come sit in your lap and rub it all day. You want to get the bugs off of them. Oh my god.
That's ridiculous.
Big animal, even bigger love. Horses never.
Maybe only vets can make this orange furball shrink like this.
What the hell is going on in here? I'm just. Oh, shit! What the. You know what? Not today. What's going on, Bobby?
Hey, what's the commotion? Oh! Woof! Alright, Bobby, give me a.
Oh my gosh! What do I do?
What?
seen some stuff.
What are you doing?
Good girl, Toos. Big strap.
Stay out here. Oh, shit. Man, it's freezing out here. Just gotta. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
Because you're tired. Oh, so how am I going to go for a sleep, Father?
That dog really said, "Yep, this is comfortable enough."
Oh, yes.
Kevin, no.
It's okay. Hey, it's okay.
Has a unique meow.
Whenever you see a cat near a screen, just expect chaos.
Oh my, look at this thing. It's just like an endless pool of ice. It's just so damn good. Hang on, I think I got one. Huh, what is this thing right over here?
भगवान ने इंसानों के साथ साथ जानवरों में भी दिमाग दिया है। जैसे हम इंसान मौज मस्ती करते हैं, वैसे
How many hearts do you see?
Breathe until I can't breathe.
Ween.
It was just messed up. Hey, Janice. Goddamn. Don't even get me started. The kids were just animals. And Mark.
Clean the camera.
Literally making
Per Louisiana fashion, it's pouring down rain.
Stop fighting and handle this like adults.
Voi, anzi, voi.
This dog absolutely hates it when his Roomba is on. This dog is super dramatic whenever they get their nails cut.
Ginger. No, you're scared. It's just cutting your nails. I'm not gonna hurt you.
There she goes. Punk. She's dead.
Are you dead?
Salut mon loup. Ça va?
This dog loves to jump in the laundry when the dryer is warm. She was just trying to take a bath.
Gotta step into the rival's turf to show them who's the boss. No short.
Come on, Luce, get your toy and let's go.
Jess, get pet. Get pet.
Cats aren't just bossy with their owners, they're bossy with every single living creature within their control.
Okay, that's all, baby. That's all. That's all.
Let's get this. Dickie, what's this?
One inch closer and it's a full alert. That nose has a built-in security system.
No, 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 no.
Looks like Bro's getting revenge on Human for taking him to the vet.
He got away with it.
Buddy, are you okay?
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a dog.
You're playing with the kitty tail. It is your bestie, Red.
This guy somehow removed his dog's head. But what do you think?